she get it? Here, I'll get you another piece. Here. Owen has a piece of sweet potato, and he's trying to keep it from Olive, so he doesn't do a very good job of it. Did you lose it again? Okay, hold tight though this time. And run away fast. I'll give you a head start. Olive, stay here. Go, Owen, go. Go to the living room. You want her to take it. Hold your hand tight. Hold your hand tight, Owen. Oh. Uh-oh, 2 dogs now. Well, now she can't get it. You ate it.